consume, see, as a human, what you are consuming is really very important. Whom you are consuming, that doesn't matter, but what you are consuming, that really matters. So like you can follow anyone, whoever you like, and after following them, you should do something. You should put something across it. Hi everyone who has joined. So you doing something, you putting across your content, you speaking to the world will help you. It's not that like even Gary Vee has said this, like it's not that how much you listen to me. He tells that don't listen to me, watch what I do. So you also need to do something. Thank you so much, Shilpa.
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you so much. Yeah, I was like very I've been listening, but I've been listening a lot of speakers and Digital Pratik and Browser. But definitely, I will just upgrade myself. I'll listen to him also. Like
Sure, sure.
as far as so, I was just focused mainly on people having Indian accent. To be very frank, my
Mhm.
thing now, but yeah, I will be upgrading myself and
This is this accent is much better than you having any transformation is what I feel, because with this confidence, with you speaking so nicely, you will inspire a lot, you will really inspire whole world, if I'm not wrong. It's just that you keep on doing something, there will be upgradation happening, there will be transformation happening, and you will keep on inspiring the world. So you just need to keep on doing more of doing, and I keep on telling this in all my videos. And like you have started now, you had some mm, personal problems past week, now you have started, uh, keep doing, don't stop any blocker, don't let them ruin your mind, create more videos, create more reels, create more, like if you are listening to the podcast, create your own podcast. If you are unable to create podcast, whatever videos you are creating, extract audio from them and you can start creating that podcast. So it really helps, because अगर तुमने कोई एक वीडियो बना ली, उसमें से बस तुमको एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है, and if you are extracting audio from that video, it will help you to post it on the podcast also. So that's the biggest leverage we have. And as like Taranpreet, you know that internet is the biggest thing happening. It's the best thing for our like for all of us. And all these platforms are really free. We just need to fill these pipelines, create more videos, use internet as much as you can, post videos, create daily videos, podcasts, whatever posts you have, articles you have, and keep doing. There's a nice comment from Shilpa.
thank you.
She is unstoppable.
Thank you so
Agreed,
much.
agreed. She's really unstoppable. जब भी मैं काम करता होता, like it happened like 2-3 days, like 2-3 टाइम ऐसे होगा कि मैं काम कर रहा था और सडनली दिख जाता नोटिफिकेशन, तरनप्रीत देवल इज लाइव। तो मैं बोला हाँ, एक बार हो गया, फिर दूसरी बार मैं देख रहा हूँ तरनप्रीत देवल इज लाइव, मतलब ऐसे 8 बजे 9 बजे टाइप। तो बोलो यार, शी इज रियली डूइंग गुड। तो फिर एक दो सेशन भी मैं आया था, आई केम इनटू लाइव सेशंस, एंड देन या देन आई थॉट दैट लाइक लेट अस गो विद लाइक लाइव करते हैं एक सेशन। सो दैट्स हाउ इट वेंट, एंड यू आर रियली अनस्टॉपेबल, नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू। डोंट स्टॉप, कीप डूइंग, and don't let anyone stop you.
We all are unstoppable. We all are limitless. We all are infinite. That's what I believe as well.
That's the energy. That's the energy. And even Shilpa Rao is doing good. She is creating those new stuffs on Instagram.
Yeah.
She is doing something new. It's really very good.
Yeah. She's also doing amazing. I love her carousels and everything. She's doing amazing. And even I'm pushing a lot of people from Rahul's VIP that people come out onto the platforms as well. Like Rahul's
Hmm.
VIP, like a kind of a home for everyone. Like everyone is doing their
Exactly.
best. Everyone is appreciating. But when
Exactly.
it
Like,
you need to
mhm.
explore, you need to learn a lot of things, lot of things are involved. That's what I'm also learning, and that's how I'm also evolving, because I didn't had digital experience and exploring onto any platform, be it Facebook. I got hate comments there as well. Like
Yeah, I
so.
saw that. I saw that post of yours. Happens. नेगेटिव रहेगा यार, लोग हेट करने के लिए रहना तो यार, कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही रहा है पॉजिटिविटी के
Yeah.
साथ। तो that's how. So Taranpreet, like one more question, is there any favorite book, like you are a good book lover, so is there any favorite book of yours?
Like I love a lot of books, like different authors I have, so I love a lot of books. But you can say the book that changed my life first of all was The Power of Subconscious Mind. So
Plus
by
one.
just yeah, we all are supporting each other. Thank you, Shipa. Thank you.
थैंक यू शिल्पा. टाइप करने में मतलब यहाँ पे थोड़ी दिक्कत आ रही है, थोड़ा मतलब ये दूर है मेरा ट्राइपॉड. थैंक यू सो मच शिल्पा, थैंक यू सो मच, मीन्स अ लॉट. सो या द पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड यार सच में बहुत ही जबरदस्त बुक है. इट्स ऑल्सो क्लोज टू मी. आई हैव लर्न मोर मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स फ्रॉम दैट बुक. और बहुत ही मतलब एक इंटरेस्टिंग बुक है जहाँ पे इट कीप्स यू रीडिंग इट, मतलब वो स्टिक ऑन रहता है. लाइक यू स्टिक इट ऑन टू दैट बुक एंड यू कीप ऑन रीडिंग एंड रीडिंग एंड रीडिंग एंड देन यू कंप्लीट इट. तो फिर बहुत ही ऑसम बुक है. सो व्हाट इज योर बिगेस्ट लर्निंग फ्रॉम दैट बुक, तरनप्रीत?
Like I was before reading that book, I was having lot of subconscious blocks. मतलब मेरे को नहीं पता how my
थैंक यू
own
मनोज.
subconscious is the biggest problem for me and is the biggest blockage in attracting blessings. So that's the
ओके.
biggest thing that I learned about through the different stories or the excerpts that are given about different people. So examples from that I learned that my own subconscious has become my enemy. I'm not able to attract blessings because of the things I have in my subconscious. So that's how
एग्जैक्टली.
I just realized that and just gone through that book and just started working onto my subconscious. That's how I got my good conditioning, subconscious conditioning, and thereafter, life, law of attraction just came in my life.
Awesome, awesome. Agreed on that point because this book is like so much powerful, and what you told is really correct. You need to have that clear subconscious mind because everything subconscious mind is collecting. Subconscious mind never rest. It keeps on collecting each and every step. जो जो इंसिडेंट आते रहते हैं तब तब वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को भेजते जाता है. तो like I had a wonderful session today with Bhagwati Rawat today at 5 o'clock, and she had literally explained very well. And she, like, I would like to tell one thing from that live session is that we have created our own map. Like हमारे हमारे माइंड पे हमने खुद का एक मैप क्रिएट किया. दिस वाज द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग आई एम टेलिंग यू. एक मैप क्रिएट किया जिससे हम लोगों को जज करते हैं, फिर लोगों को देखते हैं. our own perception, like the own map which we have, we judge on something. कोई बंदा है जो बहुत गाली देते रहता है, जो बंदे को पसंद नहीं करते, तो whenever he comes we have that mindset already created that this is waste fellow, he keeps on कुछ ना कुछ गलत बोल ही देंगे. तो फिर वो वाला मैप की वजह से हम उसको वो जज करते रहते हैं. बट इनसाइड हिम वो किससे गुजर रहा है, what he is up to, we really don't know. So we should always understand people from their perspective. It will really help us to go along. So that's the biggest learning which I had in today's session, and it will really help me to meet new